How to install and activate the Reddit add-on for PixelYourSite. Uh, I assume that you already have the Reddit add-on in your account. You might have this because you bought the add-on individually. We have a dedicated page on PixelYourSite.com. Or maybe you have all access license, which give you access to everything we have. Or you have a PixelYourSite Advanced or Agency, this version, which we call Complete, the one that has access to our extra add-ons. So this is the price you need to pay for this complete license, and you'll get everything, including add-ons like Reddit, Pinterest, or Bing. Older version might not have the extra add-ons, but you can upgrade. However, once you have one of those options, you will have inside your account here under licenses the ability to download the Reddit add-on. If you have all access license, this one works a bit differently. You will have to go here and download the add-on from there. You won't have files here. So depending on what you have from us, you will get the files from here or from here. So download the files, then go to your WordPress admin, go to plugins, add new, upload, select the files from where you downloaded them, and install. This is the normal process to install external plugins, so it works the same as for any other plugins you might have from us. Activate the plugin. And now it's installed. The next thing you need to do is to activate the license. Go here, licenses, go back to your account, look for the license. If you have the plugin individually, you will have a dedicated license. If you have all access license, you will have the single key that works with every plugin from us. So go back to the license page here, look for the Reddit add-on license field, add the license key and activate it. This is all. Once you do this, the add-on will be installed and you will be able to use it. I will make another video explaining how to use the Reddit add-on, how to add the tag ID, the pixel ID, and what it does. Thank you for watching.